Today, I am going to show you how you can create a fully functional tool website in just 5 minutes. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a tool website, hosting it on either Blogger or GitHub Pages, and preparing it to apply for Google AdSense approval to start earning revenue. For this example, I'll be using a YouTube thumbnail downloader script and hosting it on Blogger, but you can adapt these steps for other tools or platforms as well. First, let's create a new blog on Blogger. Head over to blogger.com, sign in with your Google account, and click on Create New Blog. You'll need to add a title for your blog, choose a unique name, and select a URL that reflects your website's purpose. Make sure the URL is catchy and relevant to your tool, as this will help with branding and user recall. Now, go to your newly created blog. Once you've set it up, it will be up and running in no time, ready for customization. Next, navigate to the Themes section in the Blogger dashboard. Click on the drop-down menu next to Customization and switch to the first classic theme. You can save this without creating a backup if you're starting fresh, or you can choose to back up your old theme if you want to preserve it for future use. Blogger offers a variety of themes that you can explore if you want a different look, but for simplicity, the classic theme works perfectly for hosting a tool like ours. Once you've selected the theme, go to the Edit HTML option. Here, you'll see the code for the first classic theme. You can verify how it looks by visiting your blog's live URL to ensure everything is displaying correctly. To add our YouTube thumbnail downloader tool, we need to replace the default theme code with our custom script. Select all the existing HTML code in the theme editor, delete it, and prepare to add the new script. To get the script, visit my GitHub repository, which I've linked in the description below. Locate the HTML file for the YouTube thumbnail downloader. Copy the entire code and paste it into the Blogger theme editor. After pasting the code, click Save, then visit your blog's URL to verify that the tool is working as expected. You should see the interface for the thumbnail downloader load on your site.
At this point, your site is live, but you'll notice a default Blogger navbar at the top, which might not suit a professional tool website. To remove it, go back to the Theme section, click the drop-down next to Customize, and select the Change Navbar option. In the settings, choose the Off option, which is typically the last one in the list. Now, refresh your blog's page, and the navbar should be gone, giving your site a cleaner, more professional appearance. Next, let's test the thumbnail downloader script. Open any YouTube video, copy its URL, and paste it into the input box on your website. The script should automatically fetch the video's thumbnails in 3 different sizes: small, medium, and high quality. Below the thumbnails, you'll see a download button for each size, allowing users to save their preferred thumbnail directly to their device. Test this feature to ensure it's working smoothly, as a functional tool is key to keeping visitors engaged. To make your website ready for AdSense approval and to attract organic traffic, you'll need to optimize it for search engines. You can use AI chat tools, like the one I recommend in the description, to generate SEO-friendly meta descriptions, titles, and keywords. Add these to your blog settings under the Search Preferences section in Blogger. A well-optimized site with unique content and a user-friendly tool has a higher chance of getting approved by AdSense, allowing you to monetize your website and earn revenue from ads. I've created a similar tool on my own website, which performs the same function as this thumbnail downloader. On my site, you can enter a YouTube video URL into a box, and it automatically retrieves thumbnails in different sizes for easy downloading. My website also hosts a variety of other tools similar to this one, such as image compressors, URL shorteners, and more, all designed to provide value to users and drive traffic. You can check out my site for inspiration, linked in the description. If you want to take your website to the next level by using a custom domain instead of the default Blogger URL, here's how you can do it. Go to the Blogger dashboard, open your blog, and navigate to the Settings tab. Scroll down to the Publishing section and click on Custom Domain. Enter your custom domain name, e.g. www.yourwebsite.com. If Blogger rejects your domain, try adding www before the domain name, as Blogger often prefers subdomains for compatibility.
Follow the prompts to configure your domain's DNS settings with your domain registrar. Blogger provides detailed instructions for this step. Once completed, your custom domain will be linked to your Blogger site, giving it a more professional appearance and improving its credibility for AdSense approval. Alternatively, you can host the same YouTube thumbnail downloader script on GitHub Pages, which is a fantastic option for free, reliable hosting. GitHub Pages is a service provided by GitHub that allows you to host static websites directly from a GitHub repository. GitHub Pages is ideal for developers who want more control over their site's code and hosting environment, and it's completely free. For a detailed walkthrough, check out my previous video on GitHub Pages, linked in the description, where I cover the setup process in depth. By following these steps, you'll have a fully functional tool website up and running in minutes, ready to attract visitors and potentially generate revenue through AdSense. Whether you choose Blogger for its simplicity or GitHub Pages for its flexibility, you can customize and scale your site to meet your goals.